Before you can start using Claude to write, learn, brainstorm, or even help with coding, you need one thing, your Claude account. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to sign up, log in, understand the difference between the free and pro plans, and take a quick tour of your Claude workspace so you know where everything is. By end of this lesson, you will be fully set up and ready to use Claude with confidence. Let's start with creating the account. Open your browser and go to claude.ai. On the home page, click sign up. Here you can create your account using your Gmail account, your Apple account, or an email address. Choose the option that most convenient for you. If you sign up with email, enter your email address and create a secure password and complete the verification process. This usually takes less than a minute. Once your email is verified, Claude account is ready to use. If you have already an account, simply click login. I have already an account, so I will log into my accounts. Here, the same process. You can use your Gmail account, Apple account, or email password. I'm going to use my Google account to log in it. After logging in, Claude will take you directly to the main workspace. This is where all your conversation and project will live. Before we explore the workspace, let's quickly talk about the available plans. The free plan is perfect for beginners. It allows you to chat with Claude, ask questions, generate text, summarize content, brainstorm ideas, and try out most core features. For learning and practicing, the free plan is usually enough to get started. The pro plan is designed for users who need more power and flexibility. It typically includes higher usage rate, access to more advanced cloud models, better performance for longer conversation, and additional productive features like cloud code and cloud design. My recommendation is simple. Start with the free plan, upgrade to pro when you begin using Claude regularly for work, study, content creation, or development tasks. Now let's take a quick tour of Claude Workspace. When you log in, you will see a clean minimal interface. The center area is the chat window. This is where you type your prompt and receive response from Claude. Think of it as your conversation space with the AI assistant. You can ask questions, write content, generate ideas, solve problems, or continue an ongoing conversation. On the left sidebar, you will find projects. Projects help you organize related conversation together. For example, you might create separate projects for your YouTube scripts, programming tutorials, client work, study notes, or research tasks. This keep your work structured and easier to manage. Below that is history. Claude automatically saves your previous conversations so you can return to them later instead of starting from scratch every time. This is extremely helpful when you are working on a long-term task or multi-step projects. Finally, click on the profile icon to open settings. Here you can manage your account information, subscription plan, appearance preference, notifications, and other workspace options. Spend a few moments exploring these settings so you become familiar with the environment.